Haven't taken my car out in I don't know how long. Man, I missed you. She still looks semi-clean. Oh man. I think somebody drew a penis on my car. No copyright. No copyright. Yo, I still think it's the dopest thing to be able to just do this. You know what I mean? Just look at that. Not the splash. Oh. I'm getting filthy. More water, more water. Really? Really? For me? This is what you got? Oh, come on. Never enough road. Always sitting in traffic. Never enough road. Yo, you gotta stop for the kids, you know what I mean? You gotta stop for the kids. It's only right. And I hate people that block intersections. There you go, you see that? That's how you do it. You let people pass. Just be a decent human being. There you go. See this right here? You see all that traffic? You see back there? Probably didn't see back there. I haven't driven my car in I don't know how long, man. It looks so good. It's almost purplish. So clean, yet so dirty. I'm a creep about my car. It has to be clean 24/7. That's why I don't drive as often as everybody else. Look how dirty it got. Look how dirty she is. Dirty, so dirty. So this is the scenario. You just came back from a disgusting drive, right? As you can see here, I kind of rinsed off some of the salt, but look at that. It's everywhere. You got no car cleaning products in your house and you just don't want to leave it like this. I got you. I got you, son. Bam.
What the hell is even that?
The first thing y'all gonna need for real is that foam Windex and a clean towel. Then slowly clean that doo-doo off yo with cause you're looking like trash out here.
Windex. This video is not sponsored, but just a little helpful tip that I got, right, from a good friend of mine. If you're ever out of car products and your car is wrapped, look at this. Oh, look at that shot. Look at that. All from Windex, bro. All right, easy cleaning steps. And how much was this thing, Kim? $3.49. And y'all spending all of this money. Bruh, Windex it all day, son. And just like that, she is clean again. Look how immaculate. Look at that. Just Windex. Just Windex. Look at this. Clean. All right. You're at the car show, you got nothing else. Windex it. You know what I'm saying? Don't break your bank. Windex. This video is not sponsored. Want to keep it simple and clean for a little bit, at least until the season starts. And yeah, so appreciate you guys. Stay tuned. Peace.